Good morning, everybody. We are here. 42 degrees outside. Partially sunny right now. Not too bad. We got 1776. First in the chat. Lyman Dave, Nick F, Kulani, George, Stigbeater, and Stigbeater. Boom! Little bro, baby. Little bro. Loving it, Stig. Thank you very much for keeping that green name, dude. Really appreciate that. Not many people in the chat right now, so let's go over and see what the market's got going on. I want to move that down one. All right, fix this. This is a little lopsided right now. Fix that bad boy right there. And let's see what the market has in store for us today. AMC doing very well, up 6.46% to $6.51 per share. Shiba Inu coin, not too much action going on there. Up 2% today, yes, but it should really look like this. The volume is dead for Shiba Inu coin right now. GameStop sitting at 24.64, basically break even on the day after having a nice bounce and then a dip right back down. Terra Luna Classic, bottom left, down 1.82% in the moment, 24,000 points per coin. The NASDAQ soaring higher today, 1.30% gains. Bior Therapeutics down 0.80%. We've got AMC up 6.5%. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the green at the moment. Sundial sitting up 5.5% today. Mullen Auto still up 11% on the day, 37.7 cents per share. After touching 45 cents this morning, guys. I believe that is a high. Yes, that is a recent high. 45.80 cents right here. Not bad at all. CEI, 15.5 cents. The SPY sitting up 0.72%. BBIG down 0.25% right now. Highcroft Mining up 3% on the day. Netflix, 275.56. Terra Luna Classic, 24,000 points per coin. QQQ up 1.36%. Right now, basically sideways action since about 10:30 this morning. And Ape, AMC Ape, is sitting at $2.32. Steady gains up 13% on the day so far. Looking very good for Ape at the moment. We will watch. Let's watch Terra Luna Classic down here and see if anything happens. Got some very, very weird price action over the last couple of weeks on Terra Luna Classic there. Welcome, Stigbeater. Let's go. I got 6 hours of sleep. It's time to conquer a universe. Dark bro, baby. Yes. Welcome, Stig Kalani. Thank you very much. All I need now is the Bulls to return, and I am set. Me too, man. I want the Bulls to return so bad. Not sure why, but my sub had been canceled. It just renewed, but thanks, guys. Yeah, dude, I knew you had a green name. I have no idea why I got it. You know what? Nothing with YouTube is going to surprise me right now. Nothing with YouTube is going to surprise me at all, dude. I wouldn't be surprised right now if there's 19 people in here, but only 4 of you can actually type in the chat. YouTube has been acting very weird lately, man. Very weird. So I'm glad you're able to type in the chat. And thank you very much for renewing after they canceled it. Emma D, good morning to you, Emma. Dark Bro, King Mama, what's going on there? A little bit overslept in my opinion. Who, me? Hopped on the LUNC train. Choo choo, Kalani, man. Hopefully Kalani targeted the bottom, and now we start bouncing on Terra Luna Classic right now. King Mama says good morning to Dark Bro and Emma D right now. I wanted to see. I did not look at Tectonic today, but I have a feeling people will be asking about Tectonic, so I want to see where that bad boy is sitting today, and it is up 1% at the moment. Tectonic is sitting right here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 1. 6 zeros and a 1. $9.9 million market cap. We're on a 3-month chart. We got a little bit of a rise right here. But guys, nonetheless, we have had rises like this before. We've seen some increases, and then they decrease once again. So I am not sure what's going to happen next for Tectonic. It is going to be very dependent on the overall crypto market. As I truly believe if Bitcoin does fall through that level of support, we are going to see some heavy declines across the... Okay, I was wondering what this was. Happy International Sloth Day. I'm like, did CoinMarketCap change its logo to some sloth sitting on this thing? But no, apparently it's International Sloth Day. I don't know about that, man. Let's see. I don't know if they show you where the overall crypto market cap is. I don't know if they do that or not. XRP currently up 0.91% today. The 1 year graph, it is down, but bottomed around 34 cents a coin, currently sitting at 46 cents a coin. So XRP, guys, I don't know. I'm actually thinking about adding a little bit to XRP. If it dips back down a little bit, I don't know. It's something that I am considering putting on my list there. Anybody else have XRP in here? Oh man, I got nothing. I got nothing, and I'm thirsty already. This is gonna be terrible. Clay, what's your thoughts on the 3 trillion of Shib? 1776. What do you mean the 3 trillion Shib? There's 500 trillion Shiba Inu coin if you're talking about the overall supply. But what 3 trillion are you talking about, man? What's up, bros? J Bones, man. The mic is so far. The mic is very far away. The mic was behind the camera. Outdo, bro. Thank you for paying attention and letting me know where the mic was. Thoughts on XRP? Yeah, Kalani. Actually, I do like XRP, man. I want to know your thoughts on XRP. I think if XRP wins the suit, they're going to do very well. If XRP loses the suit, they're going to do very poorly. I've not been following the suit closely, but I would like to know what you guys think if you have been following the suit closely. I think Tectonic is one of those tokens. If it makes it through the bear market, it could have potential. Dark, bro, I do agree with you, man. I do agree, because a lot of people like Tectonic, and they always ask about it. When do the exchanges stop listing failing projects like Tectonic and XYO? Avi Moreno, man. I actually don't know individual exchanges listing policies, okay? So if you're looking at, I don't know, if you're looking at like crypto.com or something, I don't know their listing requirements. So if a project meets $100 million market cap, does it get listed? If it falls back through that threshold, does it get delisted? If it gets listed, do they give it a threshold of like 10 million, 1 million? I don't know where they draw that line as to how to list and how to delist a cryptocurrency. What I do know is that you should be able to buy the cryptocurrency on pretty much any DeFi exchange. If they do end up delisting it, you should be able to swap it off that exchange, get it into a DeFi wallet, and then go into a decentralized exchange and move it around. Okay, will Harvest go back up into 300s in the next bull run? Giovanni, let's look at Harvest because I actually don't know too much about him. XRP was on Voyager, so no. Oh, no! We got to get that XRP back, Emma. Thoughts on XRP project and such? I know nothing on XRP. Well, the project, dude, I like. The project is Ripple. It's a multinational finance company basically trying to improve the entire international finance system by using Ripple, or by using XRP to reduce transaction costs and I guess reduce currency fluctuation rates and stuff like that, to make international finance simpler, cheaper, faster, and more scalable. And I do think it's a great idea. The problem is the SEC, rightly so, thinks that Ripple is a company and that XRP was their IPO and how they built the company up. And SEC wants a piece of it. I don't know if they should get a piece. I do believe that Ripple is a company. I believe that it was an IPO. But I don't know if the SEC, I really don't think the SEC should get a piece of that and be able to control what these ICOs do. Make a purchase request Elon Musk to link LUNC to pay for Tesla repairs, parts, etc. to boost LUNC burn. Know that we can pay with LUNC, and this will attract more investors. Frank, yes, it absolutely will. The thing is, the proposal would be a good idea, but Elon Musk doesn't follow our governance. So if it does get passed, it's not like Elon Musk is going to say, oh, yeah, okay, now I'll accept Terra Luna Classic. XRP, but I am more bullish on XLM. All right, Stellar Lumens. We got a Stellar Lumens bull in here, ladies and gentlemen. The Stellar Lumens is around what, like 15 cents right now? Actually, I don't know where it's at. 12 cents. 11, 12 cents. Stellar Lumens all the way back down here. Oh, man, I'd like to pick that bad boy up for 2 cents. Heck yeah, dude. pick that bad boy up for 2 cents during the bear market, ride it up to 80 plus cents. Oh my goodness. Yeah, not a bad gain train right there, dude. I would love to pick that up in this. This area is not bad either, though. You know, you got some major support here. But the thing is, if it does fall through this area, like if it falls, boom, through this support, boom, through this support, boom, through this support back here, it's very likely to test in this 7 cent range down here, possibly even coming back down into this 3 to 4 cent range. So luckily it is at a very strong level of support. This is a weekly graph, guys, not a daily graph, and it has been stagnant and holding this support level for several months. So it's been here since June. And below that, yes, would be some pretty heavy losses. But my God, can you guys just like smell the potential in this cryptocurrency market? It's almost like whatever you're looking at during the next bull market, we could see some fantastic gains. Even from where we are, you know, you 8x your money from where we're at right now, getting back up to these highs. My gosh, dude. I think you're making some serious money. Terra Luna Classic falling pretty decently right now, down to 3.3%, 23,700 points per coin at the moment. We're throwing a couple purple lines on the chart together. We're going to have to see how this plays out here, but nonetheless, we do have some steep purple lines on Terra Luna Classic. We're going to keep an eye on that in the bottom left. Voyager go through a wormhole and come back as a Voyager. Frank, I do wonder about that, right? Because FTX wants you to take all your cryptocurrency off of the Voyager platform in order to compensate you. They want you to move it off the Voyager platform onto their platform. So it doesn't seem to me like they want to run a separate platform, but I don't think it's impossible to see the actual guys currently running Voyager to come up with some new project, new name, new exchange, and potentially, you know, run a profitable business if they've learned from their mistakes. But the question you have to answer is, did they learn from their mistakes? Here's Tesla earnings. Call had a sway on the crypto market last night. Yeah, Kalani, you know why? I think I saw a couple headlines. The Tesla said they did not sell any of their like 10,700 Bitcoin that they have. So they didn't sell any of that during the previous quarter, and because they didn't sell it, you know, it looks like Tesla's bullish, so we should all be bullish. Got a little sway on the cryptocurrency market with Tesla holding on to their Bitcoin. Our next one, I'm using my Coinbase card. Nice rewards. Dude, 4% is excellent rewards, man. Jimmy rally anytime soon. Jimmy is on fire on Red Wall Street bets. Frank, I actually do not know. Terra Luna Classic coming right back up. Look at that green candle right there. I don't follow GameStop very closely, man. I don't know why they would rise up, other than potential just speculation by the Wall Street bets community. A burn tax for LUNC shouldn't have been reduced this early. We had to wait 6 months for data, and now we have reduced the burn amount substantially. In my opinion, 1.2% tax. It wasn't affected the vol. Yeah, U95. I agree with that, right? I think that the burn tax was prematurely reduced, and I think that trying to provide utility on the blockchain is very important, and all of that, but. Dude, you're not... Listen, if you guys started a diet, okay? If you started to work out, if you started any of these lifestyle changes, like, you know, significant lifestyle changes, if you wanted to lose 100 pounds, or if you wanted to learn a new skill, right? If you wanted to play an instrument or learn a language, and you just decided after 18 days that I'm not fluent in another language, I gotta quit. I gotta stop. This is not working. People would look at you like you're dumb, man. If you went to the gym and you wanted to compete in some bodybuilding competition, people would look like you if you weren't first in the world after 18 days. You wouldn't even look at yourself like you're dumb. Like if you wanted to lose 100 pounds and you started a lifestyle change and started this diet, but you didn't lose 100 pounds in 18 days. And hey, you were doing good, man. Maybe 18 days, maybe you were down 5-6 pounds. You know what I mean? Maybe you were actually making some solid, slow growth, sustainable progress, but you decided to quit because, well, dude, 18 days, that's so long, man. We should have had we should have been down. We should have been down to, our goal weight. We should have been down to our goal burns, all of this stuff. What can you actually do in 18 days? I actually think it takes, 21 days to form a habit? You can't do anything in 18 days. Let's see. You know what? Hey, LUNC could go down to 17. I'm not going to deny the fact that that's it. Is it time to change the LUNC tax again? It's not working to only good still. No, only joking. Should leave it at least a few months before even considering. That's what I'm saying, dude. What if we only have one new developer over the next 2 weeks come to build on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain? Is that success? We had significant burns with the burn tax. It's one new developer, signs of success? Or should we have 15 new developers coming and flocking to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain? People are just trying to make these changes with no gauge of success. I would venture to say that if you started a diet, you wanted to lose 100 pounds, hey man, even if you wanted to lose 20 pounds, whatever, just use your example. If after 18 days, you did see some results, maybe slower than you wanted, but you saw some results, I would say it's working. Keep at it. Nothing happens in 18 days. If you're starting to work out, right, you want to get shredded. If you don't look shredded, but you're starting to feel better after 18 days, you are making progress. If you're learning a new language and you're not fluent, but you can say, hi, how are you? You are doing well, man. You need milestones to gauge your success and to gauge your progress. That's what we don't have right now with Terra Luna Classic. Yeah, we love Sub-Saharan. So here's the analogy, man. Here's the analogy. And if it doesn't make sense for you, I don't know if it's because you can't comprehend things or if you're just mad about Terra Luna Classic for some reason. But you need milestones. That's the whole analogy, right? You need milestones on which to measure progress. So with the Terra Luna Classic previous burn tax that we had, it was roughly 300 million Terra Luna Classic per day being burned. And nobody ever set out to say, well, we had nothing being burned before. Now we have 300 million on a daily basis. The burn tax surpassed our best burner within a week. The burn tax overtook Lunatic's token within a week. And Lunatic's token had overtaken all of the previous burners over a month and a half. So it was clearly progress, but everybody viewed it as too slow because there was no measure of success there. And if you're looking at something, you need to have those milestones and the ability to determine whether or not it's working. For example, if we go into this new burn tax right now, 0.02%, I would be willing to say that this is a catastrophic failure. We have burned 29 million Terra Luna Classic today, and we would have burned 3, 4, 5 times as much yesterday because of the burn tax. Now we're burning 3, 4, 5 times less Terra Luna Classic. That is a catastrophic failure. But if I've got nothing to judge that against other than the previous burn taxes we've been seeing, how fair is it? I'm not comparing it to the potential utility. I'm not comparing it to what could happen next month. I'm not even going to give it the chance to get to next month because we're just going to go ahead and cut it short because it doesn't seem to be working as fast as we would like to. Look at the one. It's an online bank. I love it, bro. 3% savings. Dang, 3% savings account is actually not bad. Hard to find right now. Yes, extremely hard to find. I got a reference link if you want to look into it. Yeah, dude, that actually doesn't sound too bad at all. 3% savings account is pretty good. Currently have one right now, and I had it when it was good. Walmart bought them out. It's trash. 90% of the features that made it great are gone. Oh, dude, that sucks. Let's see here. Pudgy's saying peace. Don't know who Pudgy's saying peace to. Good deal. 30% up on Bronson just destroying the QQ. Bronson, you're making the QQQ yours, dude. Bronson's going to have to be our new QQQ coach, guys. Let's see. I call that one Peace, Love, and Hate. There you go, man. Peace, Love, and Hate. I like it. Burn 3 to 4 times less and pay 10% more. Sounds like taxes to me. Yes, it does, man. Popping in to remind Clay that his prog fill was garbage. My prog fill was garbage, dude. My prog fill was absolute garbage. Look at my prog fill, dude. Where are we at here? Look how garbage my prog fill was. Oh god, it was at $3.50, man. Wasn't it? I think my prog fill was like $3.50 or something. I forget where it was. It was probably, oh god. Now I don't even know where it was here. Because no, it wasn't there. I don't even know where it was. Was it at 350? Gosh, dude, I don't even know where my prog fill was now. But it turned out to be garbage. You're absolutely right, because look where prog is down at 40 cents. 90%. Boom, baby. Gone on that one. Oh god. Prog saved me. Somebody squeeze something so I can be saved. I need to be saved. 23.9 on Terra Luna Classic right now. We've got some big green candles, big purple candles going back and forth. Anyone in Tectonic? I am not, okay? I want to know if anybody else is in Tectonic right now. It was bad 50. Oh, God, dude. It was so bad, man. The devil's at, oh, popping up. Do you remember where it was? It was bad 50. How about, yeah, it was bad 50. 350, 250, 150. It was bad 50. I'm telling you that, my kid. Clean bill soon. Franchise, dude. 50 mil or 500 million. I hope it kills for you. Let's see. Are you still in prog? I thought you got out before. No, I did. Yeah, I'm not in prog anymore. I'm not in prog. I'm not in prog anymore. But getting out was a good decision because it's much lower than where I got out at. But prog was, dude, it was a good fill for like 2 days. It was an epic fill for like 2 days. It would have been like my, oh my god, dude. Do you guys realize how epic an ape fill would have been if I actually got in where I had that dream? I told you guys like 6 weeks ago that I had a dream. Ape went to $1.49. Right? I know you guys remember that. You can scroll back in the live streams if you want to see it. Could you imagine if I would have like talked about that a little more, actually had an order at $1.49 on Ape? This bad boy touches $1.48 for less than a minute and is already back up. Oh my god. That would have been an epic fill. I didn't put a buy on there though. I'm not buying off dreams, guys. I'm not buying off these premonitions. Nope, not gonna happen. But dude, I had a dream it hit $1.49 and it touched $1.48. Now, of course, it can curl back over and go down from here, but wow. $1.49 to $1.48 would have been an incredible epic fill. You guys could have talked about that and told your grandkids about it, man. Reimbursed stickers from yesterday. Pudgy! Which ones from yesterday, man? You gotta let me know which ones. Hopped in Tectonic last week with some pocket change. There you go, Dark Bro. So if Crow goes up, then so should it. It has a small market cap. When the bull market comes, it should jump. Yeah, I think a lot of stuff should jump when the bull market comes, man. Dark Bro gonna make some big dollars. I absolutely hope so. Hello, Clyde. How are you doing? I have no idea where it was, but I know it went from me feeling bad about you getting into it to becoming to a comical fill that I didn't even care and decided to roast you for. Dude, it was a good fill for a day, man. It was a very good fill for about a day. I hold a little Tectonic, threw like 30 bucks at it. Dude, what did we say Tectonic could do if it hits Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin valuations during the next bull market? It was it 1,000x or 3,000x increase? 10x, 100x gets you to $1 billion times 30. Yeah, like a 3,000x increase, dude. Could you imagine if she takes her $30 to 10 grand? Emma D, I hope you take your $30 to 10 grand. I had a dream LUNC hit $5. I should have a dream that LUNC hits $5, man. Otos, yeah, for the price versus potential. I'm not missing out this time, especially if it pulls a Shiba Inu move. Heck yeah, dude. May want to know that it is, I'm suggesting. Check it out before you call tokens to scams. Yes, please do so. Your fill aged like lettuce left outside on a hot day. That sounds disgusting. I've actually never seen lettuce left outside on a hot day. But I can imagine it'll be wilted and soggy and just nasty and ugh. Is LUNC died? And, I don't think LUNC is died, man. I think LUNC is going through some growing pains, man. I think a lot of people are starting to see the potential and wanting to take it in their direction and getting a little emotional and a little defensive and all of that and trying to make rash decisions. But no, I don't think the Terra Luna Classic is dead. I just think we've got a lot of very impatient people who want to see results yesterday as opposed to wanting to build something up and see long-term results. Oh yeah, Clay, got my stickers yesterday. We have to talk about that handwriting, sir. I need your P.O. box to send you an ABC. Yeah, Bronson's about to catch a block, man. Bronson's about to catch a block right now. Hey, if Bronson seems to be hidden from the channel, it may not be a YouTube accident after that one. I'm gonna call the post office and tell them to go confiscate those stickers. I'm gonna call the post office right now, dude. MD, what's up? Did for LUNC today. Picked up 100,000 LUNC for cheap just because. Kalani, very nice, man. We're gonna buy Tectonic. Crypto.com, right? Yeah, Dark Pro says Crypto.com. Sure, Binance probably has it, and KuCoin. You know what? Actually, I want to know if KuCoin has it. I have never looked to see if KuCoin has it. My payment went through. If it does, maybe I'll get some today. Hey, man, I've heard all over the place that Quant has a really good future and that we are early. ML, thank you very much for the member chat. And Kalani says, I'm outie 5,000. Deuces, brothers. See you later, Kalani. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. Come back if you got time. Emil, so I don't know what Quant is doing, okay? I do know that they are defying the current bear market. So Quant, QNT is the ticker there, and they are defying the current bear market in the fact that, look, over the last 4 months, they have been doing a phenomenal job rising higher as the overall cryptocurrency market and Bitcoin and so on is moving lower. So Quant doing very well there, but a $2 billion valuation is a very strong valuation. I unfortunately don't know, what their project is, what they do, and all of that. And I know just by coming out here and going to the website, dude, it's not going to be able to introduce me to everything unless let's get started. I like that part. Unless I really look into what they got going on and stuff. But it does seem like they're getting a lot of attention. And, of course, if they're a major player, this $2 billion valuation will absolutely rise during the next bull market. So you could still see 5, 10x gains in Quant as well. It's not like it's too late from where we're at. Look, it's not dead. Just needs a bull market at this point. Yes, dude. Everything needs a bull market right now. Bro, getting 300 plus million for the price of a McDonald's meal. I'm betting Tectonic will get you much more in return. I do not I don't really care for McDonald's, man. So the last couple times that I've had McDonald's the last time I had McDonald's went to the zoo with my family end of last year, I think. And Mom stopped and got McDonald's afterwards. And then that's the last time I had it. And I've only had it probably less than 5 times in the last 6 years. But dude, I remember when I was working on this house, when I was renovating this house here, I was very hungry. And when you work all day and then you work all evening and then you work all weekend, you sacrifice lunch so that you can get some more work done and so on. Well, dude, one day I was just like super hungry. I couldn't take it anymore. So I drove to McDonald's because I didn't even want to cook anything. So I drove to McDonald's after going to Home Depot and getting some stuff. And I got some nuggets and I got their cheeseburger or whatever. Dude, I would have rather eaten the 4 quarters and a dollar bill than eating a McDonald's dollar cheeseburger and those nuggets. I honestly would have rather swallowed 4 quarters and $1. I really would have. Rozzy, I did not, man. I did not. I don't want to sit here and say that I did, but I did not. Looking at all the crap coins and throwing some spare change at them. One of them will provide profits in the next bull run. And Notos. Think about it this way, dude. If you go into 10 of them equally, there's a good chance that one of them is more than going to 10x during the next bull run. So it'll make up for all the losses on the other ones. Let's see. Clearbro, Eagle from Outdo, bro. And Cat from Genie. Did they really throw an eagle? I got the eagle. I got the eagle from Alto, bro. And I'm pretty sure I got the cat from Genie, too. No? Alto, bro, didn't I get your eagle last night? Easy Ride, you still don't have your stickers, dude? If Bronson got his stickers, you should definitely be getting your stickers. I mean, I know you're a lot further away, but yours were mailed before Bronson's. Calling 268 for the QQQ. 260. Ooh, today? Holy crap. Dude, if the QQQ drops from 274 to 268 today, you're going to be rolling, my friend. This break here, nice breakdown. So I like this. This would have been a perfect entry on a break through this level right here. My gosh. Obviously, it would have been great if you could have got in here. Nothing to say that this was necessarily going down at this point, so I don't know if it would have been a very good... I don't know if that would have been a very good entry. It wouldn't have made sense to get in there. But this break right here, yeah, I could see definitely on this break right here would have been a good entry coming back down through this intraday level of support here. And you would have been doing very well going from 272.90 to 271.70, up $1.20 on some puts already. If you ride this bad boy from 272 to 268, oh my gosh. They don't expire today, but nonetheless, man, you'd be seeing some easy 100% gains on a move like that. If Bronson's calling 268 on the QQQ, I want to see it happen. Off-exchange burns do nothing for the price, and the exchanges own so much that they have unlimited supply like Binance. Yeah, dude, you are right. So off-exchanges burns. Are you actually talking off-exchange burns, or are you talking off-chain burns? So do you mean like the burn tax, or do you mean what happens off of Binance? I want to make sure that we're both on the same page before I go down some sort of a rabbit hole. Oh, I did not get the cat? Well, Genie, I don't know if you're in here. I will definitely, if Genie's in here, I'll definitely do that. I knew I got the eagle, though. I knew I got the eagle. Eagles won't cover against, yeah. Eagles are gonna lose, man. Is there any new news on Voyager? Tell me something! Junior, I did not see anything this morning as I was scrolling through cryptocurrency news. Let's see if anything else has come out on Voyager. Let's see. 12 hours ago, 11 hours ago, 11 hours ago, 19 hours ago. So, actually, I see nothing. All we've got, man, all we've got is September 22nd, 11 hours ago, 17 hours ago, and we've already looked at all these articles here, 19 hours ago. It does not seem like there's any update as of this morning. This is 3 days ago. Yeah, to me, it doesn't look like we've got any new news about Voyager at the moment. Unfortunately, dude, isn't it something they're just making us wait? Like, the 19th, we were supposed to hear something, we hear nothing. This is ridiculous, dude. Classic Terra Bridge is not working. Can you please tell me how to transfer LUNC to Terra Station? Nagendra. So where's your Terra Luna Classic currently being held? This is a low tide. It's global warming. Something I know I missed something on that. Problem is we don't have any non-shady off-exchange crypto dealers, and no crypto sell 100% direct. Yeah, they all go into the decentralized exchange pools, man. Man, this is actually looking nice here, dude. If you would have got in right now and you got these red lines coming together right here, this decline is looking good. I don't know if it's gonna be able to keep this up. If it keeps this pace up right here, my gosh, dude, you're gonna be making some fast money. If it keeps this decline up right here, I don't know if it will, but we're keeping our eyes on that for Bronson. Oh heck no, he's giving the tippers all my what? Rumor has it, a Voyager CEO at the Trip Club last. Dude, God, that Voyager CEO. I mean, listen, not judging him on his idea to go to a trip club or whatever you are or are not allowed to say on YouTube. That dude is not a good human being. He's not a good human being. You don't go out there and lose billions of people's money and then just say, we don't care at all. I mean, he's right. He's right up there with Quant, man. He's not a good dude. He's just really not a good dude. And I hope he's watching this video right now because he's not a good dude, or his kids or whoever he's got are watching this video. And I can make that call. He's not a good dude. John Jay! John Jay, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that one. I know we like it, man. It's like a happy meow meow. That's a dog, dude. John Jay, that's a dog, isn't it? I thought that was a dog, dude. Dogs bark, not meow. What are we saying? LUNC developers need a streamline off crypto exchange cells. This is the only thing that will affect price. Those game apps have never helped or affected any crypto price to date, and some say they are, the long manageable. Let me say this, dude. Let me say this. I agree with you, right? I agree with you. These games, there's thousands of them out there at this point. And these apps that these people create, there are thousands of them out there. And here's my viewpoint on that. You are correct. The vast majority of them do nothing. The vast majority of them do not add value to the blockchain. And that is why the developers, not just of Terra Luna Classic, but of any crypto project, that is why the developers want to create a community pool that they control where the funds go. Because they know that they're not going to build equity in their game. They know that they're not going to be able to have their game sustain itself. So they need to feed off of the overall pool. They need to feed off of the overall community in order to keep that game in existence and in order to continue working and building potentially unsuccessful projects. And look, this might sound harsh to some people out there, but I am completely for projects failing. I am completely for this survival of the fittest type of capitalist economy, whereas if you can't make it, you don't make it. If you can't compete, you either adjust and become malleable to the situation where you can improve, or you get consumed. It is what it is, man. And they don't view it that way. Somebody's got an idea, man, that they want to make this app that allows you to put mustaches on your NFTs, and they want to make $100,000 for it, even though it's not worth $10. Nobody uses it, but they've got that community pool to sit there and work on something for the next 2 years and build this app, right? I agree with you. I do. Where have you been, Paul? Paul is in here now. Clay, will you someday have an I don't care real crypto feelings? What? I don't care real crypto feelings live stream where you can say all the bad words and things. Oh, now I got you. Where you can say all the bad words and things you can't say just for fun. Do it for Sam Demand number 2. Just an idea. So look, I really don't say bad words. It's not like I just don't say bad words on the live stream or anything like that. It's just not something that's in my vocabulary and something that I converse with or anything like that. So that's not just me being on live stream and trying to keep it clean for YouTube or anything like that. But no, dude, I don't think that I need to have respect for guys that do the same types of things that this Voyager CEO does. And in the most respectfully disrespectful way possible, I want to relate my distaste for the CEO of Voyager. I just don't think he's a good person. And I don't know how worse you could relate feelings to somebody than just saying you are not a good person. It's not even just your personality or anything. You're just not. You can change, sure, but right now you are not a good person. And I don't know how that you could really relate that you dislike somebody even more than saying something like that. This is why I invest in Simon Coin. Heck yeah, man. Easy ride. My girl not down for the street. Easy ride. Did you actually ask? Did you actually ask, man, about the sticker or a bro thong? Oh my god, dude. Easy ride. Please tell me that you actually asked. 1776! Everybody else, close your eyes. 1776, Clay Bros Peach, baby. Oh, yes. I don't even know who came up with the first peach that they sent me, man. I don't know what you were expecting, but that's the first thing that came to my mind. Greetings, bros, and how do you feel about Stellar? Well, we know that Emma D likes Stellar, so I like Stellar. I read a little bit. So, like, all of the coins that Webull has listed on their platform, I did research all of those. They had nice blog posts, and I spent a couple hours one day reading about all of those coins. And I know that Stellar Lumens were in there, and I did read about it. Multi-billion-dollar project at the time, and I believe was in the financial services, right? Like allowing you to somehow, and this is the part that I forget, but improving or intending to improve the quality of financial services. I don't know how they do that. I'd have to go back and refresh my memory on what I was reading about them. But, yeah, dude, they sounded great. At the time, Terra Luna Classic was like $90 a coin. They sounded great. A lot of the projects on Webull tended to be like billion-dollar coins at that point. And they all sounded like they were doing amazing stuff. Which just goes to tell me that if we can pick them up during this bear market for major 90+% discounts, it is going to be a wild ride. Guys, here's the thing. You know, everybody wants these 1,000, 10,000x gains. I get that. But if we could 10x our money during the next bull market, and you spend a year buying these cryptocurrencies, oh my goodness. I mean, you are going to be phenomenally better off than any other investment or any other kind of opportunity that you would have traditionally. Great, dude. We can make, 8% on the S&P 500 over the next year? Awesome, man. Maybe you hit a small cap stock and you double or triple your money in that. But these cryptocurrencies, dude, they have got a lot of potential, and they have been beaten to death over the last year and could continue to be beaten. Lauren was the creator of the peach sticker, I think it was. I remember Lauren constantly sending it, so I don't know if she sent it first or not, but I do know that it was Lauren's favorite, and I miss Lauren, man. I don't know where Lauren's at, but I miss Lauren. I asked you last night, been in the doghouse ever since. Easy ride, man. Well, your sticker pack will get you out of that doghouse, dude. It's how we do this now. Emma likes this, so I like this. And Bronson is master of the QQQ, so that's why I like the QQQ. Bronson is making the QQQ his new playmate there. I hate people that don't put F in between every other word. I was stinking going to the stinking store and couldn't walk right in because my stinking pants kept stinking sagging. Oh, I thought he said that I hate people that don't put it in there. He said I hate people that put it in there. It's not even necessary. It's really not even, not only is it like, my God, dude, I don't want to sit here and hear that, but it's like, okay, what if I said everything that I was saying, I decided to put some sort of a filler word in everything that I was saying because I just didn't. I mean, dude, at that point, you look like you can't formulate a sentence or whatever. But the other part just makes you look like you can't formulate a sentence, but you're angry at the world, dude. Bronson, I'm going to need you to kindly remove yourself from my... Oh, God, dude. Oh, if Emma didn't have a blue name, I think I would have gave her a blue name on that one. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my gosh. Deny any major exchange like Binance from buying or selling LUNC or to buy or sell from LUNC directly. When we are the primary holders, we win and prices aren't manipulated. The long manageable, I agree. Are there any coins, and I don't know the answer to this. I don't know if you guys know the answer to this. Are there any major coins? This is a good one. If you guys want to look it up today, I don't know how easily the answer would be to find. But are there any major coins out there that are not majority held on a centralized exchange? That's interesting. You know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these coins that are out there, the big ones. I'm not talking about something like Pinky. Oh, God, dude. I saw... That's the question. If any of you do know the answer, please let us know on that. But I don't know. But I almost said Pinky Inu. I watched some dude on TikTok the other day. Okay? He's got 1.5 million followers. And he was either on vacation or something in Puerto Rico or whatever. And he makes this video coming out of this little beach house in Puerto Rico saying that, you want to know how to make $8,000 in a day? I'll show you. Great. Everybody wants to know. You know, all of these 19-year-old kids on TikTok want to know how to make $8,000 in a single day with no risk, right? And he shows you how to do it, dude. He goes on PooCoin, okay? And he buys Pinky Inu. He drops $5,000 in Pinky Inu. This coin that was just made. They get listed on CoinGecko. And he's got his screenshot of the coin being worth like $8,000 at that point. Pinky Inu just paid for my Puerto Rican vacation. This is exactly how you make money, guys. It is that easy. And I said, I commented on his post, and I was just like, oh, dear God. And then I posted another comment on there saying that, yes, this coin's been out for like 4 days now. And the day after it was listed on CoinGecko, it was down 50%. So if he didn't sell that first day that he made that little CoinGecko pop, he had already lost $3,000. So it was wild to me to see this dude even considering posting something like that to 1.5 million plus people. Sure, maybe he went out there and maybe he did sell while he was sitting there and got lucky. But I'm going to tell you right now, dude, he either lost a ton of money because he didn't sell when it was up, expecting it to go up more than 40% or whatever it went up. But the fact that he just so nonchalantly told 1.5 million people to go buy a random crap coin on PooCoin because that's how you're going to make $8,000. Dude, I feel like that dude's got some responsibility, and he's just blowing it right now. Deuces! Thank you very much for the super chat. Bro, check out Pirate Token Ethereum chart. It's bullish. Let's look at it here. 1776. Gotta love the peach. Come on, guys. Hit the like button. I can't be the only one. Glad he is so entertaining. 1776, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. He loves the peach. I'll give him that. Yes, Clay Rose Harry Peach, 1776. Thank you very much, dude. Speech. No, I got you. 1776. I knew what you were saying. Let's see here. This guy's never posted vids where they lose. Only the winners. And Lorenzo, who knows if he actually, closed out of his profit. If he waited 24 hours, his 8,000 turned into about 2,400. So he would have been down major if he didn't close out. And that's the stuff that's the stuff they need to show you, Lorenzo. They need to show that to these kids. Because if these kids go out there and they've got their, you're 19, right? I don't know if you work during high school or whatever, but dude, you've got $1,000 saved up because you saved your birthday money and you never bought anything with it. You decided to go follow this guy and drop $1,000 in Pinky Inu because you think you're going to make 15 extra money, and then you lose everything you've ever had. It's going to stop you from ever wanting to invest again the rest of your life. What are we looking at? Pirate Token. This one? Where are we at here? Are you talking about this one? Deuces. Are you talking about Pirate Cash? You gotta let me know what you're talking about there. I've tried all that, and you're better off throwing stack. I'm telling you, Outdo Bro. I agree, dude. I agree. I went in last year at the end of the year and I bought a bunch of little tokens, and every single one of them, and I do know for a fact that it has a lot to do with if you were doing it at the end of last year, you were buying at the beginning of a bear market, and it was probably the worst time in history to be buying those crap tokens. But it is true, right? If you get them before they're listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, you typically do see 100% rise in price when they hit those, and then it's almost, by the time they hit there, it's too late because they're scam projects anyway. And then just the fact that more people saw it, they bought in a little bit, and then you lose money if you buy in after it hits those websites. But God, dude, that you gotta have a certain level of integrity if you've got 1.5 million people. Let's see. Yeah, woo! Made 8K and lost 100,000. Exactly, dude. I just watched Claybro live streams. Buy high, sell low. It's how you do it. Can't take the heat. Get out of the kitchen. Let's get started. Oh, yes, John Jay. That's the only way to do it. Clay made a killing in Tesla puts again. Held overnight through earnings. Bought them at 220. It dropped huge after this. Sold them 5 minutes after the market opened. I didn't see where Tesla opened up today. Oh, God, dude. Simon is a freaking beast, man. Oh, my God. Simon, you are a monster, dude. You are a monster. Tesla opening up down here, tanking to 200 right at this line. This line is a very important line. We talked about this, I believe it was yesterday or the day before. Guys, if this line is sustained broken, right, major line here with the wicks coming down and touching this area right in here, if this 200 is broken, you can make even more money on Tesla puts. Simon, oh God, you guys can't see the whole thing. I'm sitting here looking at Tesla. You guys are looking at Pirate Coin. If this red line sustains a move to the downside and this major level of support is broken that we've had over the last few months, yeah, you can make even more money on Tesla puts. But Simon destroying it today, man. Love it. Let's see. Clay, did you see Pika's banana sticker in the discard for trap? Let's see. Fix. Oh, God, I did not see that. Oh, God, that banana. Dude, I like that banana a lot, man. I liked it. Did you guys not see? Oh my god, you guys got to see this. Is it in the community chat too, or is it just in the supporters chat? Dude, that banana is hilarious. Hold on. It's in the community chat too. You guys go, if you're not in the Discord, go join the Discord. You got to see that banana. That thing is absolutely hilarious. And dude, that thing's like slightly embarrassed. It's sweating. Oh my gosh. Pika, if you're listening right now, I am absolutely laughing. That just brought a little bit of joy to my heart right there. Thank you very much, Pika. I love that thing. Let's see. Well, the Discord's up over here on this screen. I can't throw it on the screen. Guys, join the Discord if you want to see it. Jump in the Discord right now if you want to see it. It'd be a lot easier for you to do that. And that means more people will be in the... I wonder if I could put that... Dude, you could technically put that as an emoji on here too, right? I could put that as a sticker on here. That'd be cool. That'd be cool. And you get that wrench there. Nice, man. Patrick, thank you very much for the coffee, Patrick. Thank you. Look at this. It's dead empty. You guys can't even hear it. Thank you very much for the coffee, Patrick. Thank you. Nothing, dude. I got nothing in there. It barely made my tongue wet. Come on now. Oh my god, it's priceless. I'm cracking up at that. Well, that's the licking stick. I love it, man. Oh, Pika, thank you very much if you're listening right now. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wait, thinking next week I'll sell my AMC cash coupons $6. It looks like 6 to 650 is where AMC wants to hang out. Gosh. I mean, that's a tight range. It's a pretty close sell there. Let's see where AMC's at. Yeah, 550 was kind of my concern on AMC. Hey, you're right though. Let's see what we got at 4 hour. Let's go 2 hour first. So slowly falling on this 2 hour chart. And actually slowly falling since gapping down probably after Ape was announced here. Following this same trend line lower. Might be easier to see on a 4 hour chart. No, not much easier to see. But you can see these highs, these lower highs that we've been hitting have all been, you know, on the same trend line here. So I do think that AMC is negative. It's got a negative correlation right now, and it is in a downtrend. Knowing that it's following this line, it's actually following this line pretty well. Touching it here, falling down this morning, coming up, touching it again, currently falling back down a little bit, and on the low end, if you're looking at this hourly chart, we may be forming some sort of a wedge between that $6 mark and the descending trend line. So if you're looking at that hourly, 2 hourly chart right there, I would actually say over the next 2 days, so today's what, Thursday? Friday, Monday, man. Maybe if it wedges all the way down into next Tuesday, you could be seeing that consolidation there, but it's definitely following this descending trend line going back to August at the moment. Use that for what you will, man. Maybe, you know, hit your own chart up, see what you think on the line there, but that's kind of what I'm looking at, just briefly looking at it on an hourly, 2 hourly, and 4 hourly chart here, is that these bottoms around $6 may be tested, and this descending trend line could absolutely hold up and keep its form there. And if you go on to the 2 hour chart here, you might have to raise the line back up a little bit, and it might take you a couple more days. Might take you to the 26th before you finish that wedge. All right, QQQ still coming down, man. The QQQ is still coming down right here. We're going to move this line out slightly so that we can continue hitting these lower highs here. And it does seem to be following this trend line perfectly at the moment. We know, Bronson, we know that 270, if you're in puts right now, 270 is a very strong level of support here. But didn't want to come back down below it this morning, pre-market or at the market open. If it does break it, I think you're on for your 268s, dude. If it does break it, I think you're on for your 268s. But coming right down here to this support line, looks like it may find some support. So watch it. And if you do get a breakout to the upside, I don't know, dude. It's up to you if you want to take your profit or not. But nonetheless, you got to watch out for that. Some Pirate took it down below. Also, Bunny vs. AMA with VXL today. Dude, you know what? Bunnyverse has actually jumped to my TikTok lives a couple times. Bunnyverse is pretty cool. Pirate token down below. Where we at, deuces? I don't see anywhere that you would have sent Pirate token, man. Is Pirate token on CoinMarketCap? Because if I type in Pirate token, nothing comes up. The only pirates we got: Pirate Cash, Treasury Key, Pirate Chain, Pirate X Pirate. There's a lot of different pirates, but you know what? Pirate token might not be on CoinMarketCap here that I can see, but Pirate token might be on Uniswap. It may be showing up down there as being on Uniswap. Is this the one you're talking about? Pirate Chain? Arrgh. Nice. Oh, God. I don't know if that's the one you're talking about or not, man. Because whatever you sent, I don't think showed up. Did you get a chance to look at Flasco? Wonder if it's great. No, Elaine, so I have not looked at Flasco yet. Flasco also not showing up on CoinMarketCap for me. Where can I find Flasco at? Can't stay. Working came in to say yo. So, yo. Have a great day, peeps. Moji, man. You too, dude. Have a great day. Thank you very much for swinging by. Glad I actually got to see it in there. I know I got so much work to do. Okay, I'm leaving Punch. No, JB. Stay with us for 5 more minutes. Stay with us. Hi, Clipper. How you doing, guys? Hit the like button. Rise again. Do hit the like button, guys. Let's see. These lives would be so much better if we didn't have those depressing charts. I'm telling you, dude. We got to get over these depressed. You know how much better this live's going to be when all of these charts are stinking green and going up for days. And I don't want anybody in here when these charts go up. Even if you make it, even if we have to just like die through the next year and a half or something. You know how wild these live streams are going to be if everybody's up over $100,000 on their stocks and cryptos and so on. That is what I want to see. I want to see that bull market come, and I want to see everybody just fanatically excited about everything that's running up. Not just Luna Classic, not just Shiba Inu coin or AMC or GameStop or Pirate coin or any of these other tonics and stuff like that. Everything is running up. Everybody is excited. And everybody is sitting on massively successful portfolios. The 84 of you guys, okay? The 84 of you guys. I know there will be another 8,400 people in here. And the chats will be crazy. Yes, I understand all of that. But they're going to be the ones that are saying, is it too late? Do you think that Shiba Inu coin's going to go to $4? I know it's at $1. Do you think it's going to go to $4? Do you think Terra Luna Classic can hit 15 cents? I know it's at 5 cents right now, but do you think it can go to 15 cents? And it's going to be the same thing that we've seen in the past, right? And we're going to have a lot of FOMO buyers excited and jumping in and all of that. But I want the 85 of you guys that make it through this just horrendous bear market to be sitting here ecstatic with $100,000+ stock and crypto portfolios because you made it through. And all of a sudden, you 20, 30, 40x your gains because you made it through that stupid bear market and you're in the bull market as we speak. The same as people who were sitting there with Ethereum at $5 and rode it up to $5,000 were feeling. 1,000x gains, guys. I mean, that is what I want to see. And I know it'll get there. We just have to make it through, yes, the depressing charts in the background until we get to those days. Clever, you just said you people. I want to see you people successful. It is true, man. I want to see you people successful. Facts on that, John Jay. I want to see you people successful. You better believe it, man. And knowing the 89 of you in here that really are sitting on some wildly fantastic portfolios during the next bull market, and everybody else, the guys that are coming back that left us, the ones that couldn't hang, you know, we will welcome them with open arms, absolutely. But I do want to see you guys make it through. So let's have some fun while the depressing charts are in the background. You paid for this video. I have been listening to you from the long. You are super positive even when it's falling. Don't fool people and make them buy LUNC. I guess it will crack soon and fall. So Sanjeev Pathak, thank you very much for listening to me for a very long time. And yes, YouTube does pay for the ad revenue. So if you came in here and you saw a commercial on the video, I may have received, God, dude, like 1/3 of a cent or something at this point. Actually, from you, if you're in India, I may have received maybe like 1/10 of a cent or something for you watching that ad. So in a sense, yes, if you view the 4-second advertisement for coming into the live stream or watching one of the videos, especially if you are in India, I believe it's like 1/10 of a cent per advertisement that you see. So that is true, right? I think we all understand that YouTube pays a fraction of a cent per ad view. But no, I do have a positive mentality, right? I do have a very positive mentality on the long-term growth of Terra Luna Classic, of Bitcoin, Ethereum, of all of these cryptocurrencies. And at this point, with how destroyed the stock market is, I've got some positive sentiment around the long-term growth of the stock market as well, dude. Rise Again, thank you very much for the super sticker. Rise Again says, what about that lick and stick? I'll tell you about that lick and stick. You tilt the head back, you lick, and you stick. Rise Again, eye contact, most important part when eating a banana. You guys will see how your life changes as soon as you begin to get eye contact with anybody in the room while you are eating a banana. But you guys know what time it is, so make me walk to the mailbox. I want to see the first person to claim their sticker pack right now. First green name to claim their sticker pack right now. Please get it out there. Please get it out there. Yes, 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 yes. Get it out there. Let's see. Who do we got? Dark Bro. Dark Bro. Hey, Dark Bro's a green name. Dark Bro's a green name. I like it, dude. I like it. Dark Bro with the sticker pack right there. Dark Bro got that sticker pack. Dark Bro, I got your address, right? I got your address, so that's gonna be all good there. Give me that stuff. J Bones, man, you were close. Dark Bro was fast on that one, man. Dark Bro fast. So let's see here. Dark Bro is gonna get this. Let's go blue. Let's go blue for Dark, and let's go YouTube. Claybro logo and the little one in case he wants to throw one on his phone or something. But Dark Bro has... Alright, here we go. Dark Bro's got... Where we at? Oh, upside down. We don't know upside down this. Backwards is fine. Upside down is another story. Dark Bro got Black Bro, Blue Bro, and Clay Bro right here. Yes, Dark Bro. Very good, man. Very good. Let's see. I don't know. I just want one. Yeah, you want one. And the shirt. Yeah, maybe and the shirt too, Dark Bro. I think I got you in the Discord already, right? Time for a song. We get knocked down, but we get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. We get knocked down, but we get up again. You're never gonna keep us down. M.D. Absolutely. That is the theme song for the return of the next bull market. Hold on. We'll go. We get knocked down, but we get up again. You're never gonna keep us down. We get knocked down, but we get up again. You're never gonna keep us down. M.D. Absolutely. Thank you very much for that super chat. Really appreciate it, guys. It is past 1 o'clock, all right? Dark Bro, gonna be getting this. Yeah, I DM'd you my address. I'll resend and confirm. Perfect, Dark Bro. No, I think I got it on there. Dark Bro right here. Oh yeah, I got your address right there. I can see it already. Can't keep crypto down forever. No, they cannot. With this morning's video about lowering the burn tax and skim. Why? D Trent, man. Well, gosh. I'll answer that very quickly, okay? But then we are going to go. So get your names in the chat right now and so on. So number one, I don't like the fact that they lowered the burn tax only after 18 days. I don't think you're going to be able to accomplish anything in 18 days. Anything worth accomplishing is going to take more than 18 days to do so. And the burn tax was working, right? Slower than some people wanted. Why? Because some people they want to burn 50 billion Terra Luna Classic per day. That's not going to happen no matter what you're doing. And this new thing they've got out there with the reduction of the burn tax to promote additional volume. Look, you guys can look at all these different parameters if you want, but what they were looking at is volume right as the FOMO buying was happening. And they were using that as the basis. They were using that as the no burn tax volume. And that volume is heavily inflated. So comparing it to heavily inflated volume kind of just furthers their purpose in saying, let's reduce the tax. And I get it. The tax, okay, all of that's fine. The tax actually is not going to increase the burns. We are going to see much less burns now. So you've got that to worry about. But my main problem is that 10% skim. Okay? That's my main problem. It's not something that they even talked about with people. It's not something that they even let people know about. It's 10%, not just of that 0.2% tax, but everything that goes to the burn wallet. It is going to be hundreds of thousands of dollars per week that goes into this community pool. And, all right, deuces, thank you very much. Let's see if I can actually pull that up very quickly here. Here's what I want to point out about that. All right, I do see it. I'm going to jump in. I'll check that tweet out. I do see that tweet right now. If you guys want to see it, you can see the latest tweet that I was tagged in there. But the 10%, here's the direction we're already going, man. This 10% skim, hundreds of thousands of dollars a week going into this community pool. We are already seeing ideas by Alex, one of the developers. I'm going to talk about it in the video tonight. We're already seeing ideas to stop the governance process. No, you don't need to vote on every little line item. You don't need to vote on everything that we spend our money on. No, you shouldn't be allowed to vote. That stifles growth. What do you care what we spend our money on? You have to trust us to spend our money on what we deem beneficial. And that's what they're already starting to talk about here. So not only have we created an environment where 10% of everything goes to this community pool, we are already being cast out of having control of the community pool. And I think it's just a couple steps away before we get taken out of any decisions that are being made, any of this process of growing the chain, and we're just sitting there allowing the developers to do whatever they want. So I see us going down a path that I don't want to go down. But nonetheless, man, we'll do the shout-outs, guys, and we will be back a little bit later. That's my reasoning for not being happy with the burn tax and so on. One only Bronson. You might not have got the little one, right? You may not have gotten the little one. I just printed those little ones up afterwards. I guess that's one of the problems of winning first. You might not get the best. Bronson, see you later, Dark Bro, Frank, Roulette Wheel, 1776, Rozzy, Deuces, baby, King Mamba, Adrian, Deuces, Auto Bro, Dark Bro, Lorenzo, one and only Bronson, Mr. Simonino, Frank, baby. Pudgy says, not again, man, not again. Pudgy, thank you very much for the super chat. Peace and grease, Skrilla Invictus. Bronson, ooh, Bronson's mad, yeah. Mr. Simonino, see you later. How do I become a member? 1776 Zone. If you're on iPhone, you have to copy and paste the link in the description below that says, like, join the channel, become a bro, and go out through Safari. iPhone does not allow you to do it on in the YouTube app. If you're on Android, you click the blue join button. It's very simple if you're on Android. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that 1776 Zone. And if you do become a member, dude, do it in the next live stream so we can all welcome you and thank you for joining and becoming a member there, man. Brian Armstrong, shout out to you, man. J-Bones, Brian Armstrong. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you. Where's my camera? Come on. Put me on this weird face. What are you doing, camera? I just want to sit here and say bye to these people. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.